If you have a Mark III Supra, an NA non-turbo version model, you can still utilize the turbo silicone hose kits that you can buy on eBay. Those hose kits save you a ton of money, and the majority of that kit will actually work for your car. It comes with both your upper and lower radiator hoses. It'll come with all three of your heater hoses. It comes with some of the bypass hoses for the heater system. There's a 90 degree there. There's two 90 degrees down here on your thermostat housing. It will come with both of the vacuum lines to your brake booster. There's one of the other heater hoses, one of the other three down below there. It will come with some of these 90 degrees you can use on your vacuum line right here. This one is just like the original one, was as hard as a rock, very old and dry rotted. And it'll come with your crankcase breather too, which I'm pretty sure is impossible to get from Toyota anymore, which is fantastic because all of these are going to be dry rotted and cracked right here. The only things you will not get in the kit will be these water lines that feed your throttle body. There is a single water line that I actually use. You have three hoses total on this car that feed this small system here. There's one I can't really show you. It ties in the bottom of your idle air control valve. I ever used one of the water lines that came out of that turbo kit for that bottom hose. It worked fine. I have no idea where it goes on a turbo, but it worked good for the bottom hose. And then I purchased, I think, around 4 feet of 1/4-inch silicone water hose, okay? And I had to use that to make these two sections where it goes in and out of the throttle body. Otherwise, the only other adaptation I made with that kit was I used another hose that I'm not sure what's used for on a turbo. And I used that kit and I cut the end off of it because I think it had a bend here. And I put a barb fitting in another section on this to replace the air inlet tube for your idle air control valve. I know it might look just a little redneck, but it actually works really well. So I strongly suggest you buying one of these kits, because even if you don't utilize this like I did, all the other hoses basically fit the same on this car as they do with a turbo car. So you're going to save yourself a ton of money. I'm trying to buy these things from Toyota, and I've had this for 4 years now, and not one drop of water leaks out of this car at all. Okay, I'm very impressed with how well they work. The only thing you're going to have to do when you buy them, you're going to have to make some cuts to the ends of them to make them fit right. As you can see here, you can't have it too long or it'll be bumping against your timing chain cover, belt cover, I should say. So you'll have to make some slight cuts to the length of these hoses. Otherwise, they all seem to have the correct shape and they fit really well. So I strongly suggest you doing this, guys. Especially like all these heater hoses, man. That's a very difficult area to get to. Very difficult place to spot leaks, and these things work great. So just a quick update on what you can do for a small amount of money from eBay. It works pretty good on our cars, guys. Appreciate you watching.